This is a long answer question from the Algebra 1 August 2016 Regent. What they want us to do with this equation that they gave us is solve it for x in terms of a. We won't be able to solve for x in terms of a number because there are two variables in this question. There's also the a variable. So what we're going to need to do is solve for x in terms of a and the other numbers. So let's see how to do that. 4 times a times x plus 3 minus 3 times a times x is equal to 25 plus 3a. For this question, we can't just divide away the 4 that's before the parentheses because we have another term on the left-hand side, negative 3ax, that's also on the left-hand side, but it's not being multiplied by the 4. So to get rid of the parentheses, the easiest thing to do would be to distribute the 4 over everything that's in the parentheses. And so 4 times ax becomes 4ax. 4 times 3 is 12. Let's bring down the rest of the equation. Minus 3ax is equal to 25 plus 3a. Let's combine like terms on the left-hand side. 4ax can be combined with negative 3ax. 4ax minus 3ax is just 1ax or ax. Let's bring down the plus 12 is equal to 25 plus 3a. Since we want to solve for x, we want everything that has an x attached to it on one side of the equation, everything that doesn't have an x attached to it on the other side of the equation. So ax we're going to keep on the left-hand side, but we're going to move the 12 to the other side. So we're going to subtract 12 from that side. Since we subtracted it from the left side, we also have to subtract it from the right-hand side. And ax is equal to 25 minus, which is 13. Bring down the plus 3a. Now we have ax is equal to 13 plus 3a. But we want to have x alone. So we're going to divide away this a. Divide by a. And since we're dividing the left-hand side, we also have to divide the right-hand side. And the a's on the left-hand side cancel out. X is equal to 13 plus 3a over a. What you don't want to do over here, x is equal to 13 plus 3a over a. What you don't want to do is cancel out these a's because you see an a in the numerator and an a in the denominator. That is wrong because you're ignoring the fact that the 13 over here is also over the a. What this question is really saying is x is equal to 13 over a plus 3a over a. If you rewrite it like that, then you could cancel out these a's as long as you keep the 13 over a as it is. So 13 over a plus 3 would be the answer to your question. However, it is also correct if you wouldn't have divided by a, you could have just left the answer to the question is 13 plus 3a over a. This is also a correct answer to the question because these two are equal.